if you've lost access to your Outlook account and cannot receive verification codes, there are still steps you can take to recover your account. Follow this guide to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Outlook account recovery page. Go to the official Outlook account recovery page. This is where you will start the process of recovering your account. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address of the account you are trying to recover. Make sure it is the correct address, as this will be used to identify your account. Step 3. Select I don't have any of these. When prompted for verification codes or recovery options, choose the option that states you do not have access to any of the listed methods. This will guide you to alternative recovery options. Step 4. Answer security questions. You may be asked to answer security questions that you set up when you created your account. Provide the correct answers to verify your identity. Step 5. Provide additional information. If you cannot answer the security questions, you may need to provide additional information about your account, such as previous passwords, contacts, or other details that can help verify your identity. Follow the prompts to submit this information. Once you have completed these steps, wait for a response from Microsoft regarding your account recovery. It may take some time, so be patient.